What's good, y'all? It's been a minute, man. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, he looks different. All right, so this is the last time that you saw me versus now. Yeah, I know. I got new glasses. Anyway, so in the last video, I ended it off with a little electrical issue. My car wasn't really turning on because what I thought was a new subwoofer draining too much of the power. But I just stopped having that problem. I don't know what happened. I mean, it just never happened again. Like, my car's just been running really good, starting up every time. So I was working on a video, but the footage was so boring because every video I would record was just me getting into my car, being like, all right, let's see if it'll start. And it starts every time, and it's just been running really good. I dropped my car off at the shop because it wouldn't start, and the mechanic was just able to start it without doing anything really, and not knowing what was wrong. Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
I see you.
Yeah, you see me? Yeah. I appreciate it, man. This guy. Yeah, you gonna be in my video. He said, I'm your fan, man. You're a YouTuber? I see you. All right, anyway. But now, I'm having issues. So, I thought it was the timing. I thought the timing was off. Turns out it was the fuel pressure. I'm getting no fuel pressure. And you can hear it in the idle, like it's not running right. Hold on. Look at that. Yes. Nothing. You can hear it in the idle, it's not running right. Listen to this. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a little not very smooth. So you know me, I be thinking I have a problem and I just throw money at it. I haven't really learned my lesson, so low fuel pressure. I've had this issue before. Let me just put a new fuel pump in. No, that didn't do it. I put a new fuel pump in, still the same issue, still running rough. So I don't know what it is, maybe a dirty fuel tank. So anyway, I'm gonna take it back to the shop and see if they can check it out a little bit more. But man, so I guess my last fuel pump was good, man. I love that fuel pump. It's a Carter electric fuel pump. I forget the exact model number because Carter, of course, makes a lot of fuel pumps. But it was a really good one. It was very reliable. It lasted me 4 years before I even switched it out. And honestly, it didn't even need to be switched out because I'm still having this issue. So it was a really good pump, but I put a new one in. Still not good. Even my fuel filter is new. My carburetor is clean. I don't know what it is. Probably, I think it's gonna be a dirty tank. I don't know. But why would a tank be dirty? What is the issue? I don't know. I'm not that smart. I'm gonna take it to the shop. You hear that popping? So I just got to the shop. Ignore my do-rag line, I just took it off.
So it got to be working there because that you're still getting gas.
Yeah. It's getting a little bit, yeah. All right.
You got two fuel pumps on there or just one?
I just had one.
So the one you got the one that's coming off the engine discontinued, right?
Yeah, no.
You just got it going, yeah.
Because that was a mechanical one. We converted to electric.
So that cuts it down dry. Gas from the tank to the fuel pump to the cup.
Yeah.
Huh? Now, the fuel filter don't look like it's plugged up.
Yeah, it's pretty new too.
Yeah. So the only other thing would be either the pump is no good, or something plugged up.
All right, so it's been exactly 1 week since that last clip. I wasn't able to drop my car off at the shop because he was pretty busy. He didn't have enough space for my car, but I'm gonna drop it off right now. I was talking to a friend earlier this week, and he suspects that I'm not really getting fuel pressure because of a clog in my fuel tank. There's like a little strainer that flows around in the fuel tank, and sometimes it can get stuck. And he recommends just getting compressed air, shooting it through like the fuel line. Oh, let me get out this dude's way. Shooting it through the fuel line, and you know, pushing that little strainer, filter, whatever, out the way so that it's not clogged up. I can't do that. I don't have compressed air. I can't even really work at my car at where I live. But I'm gonna let the mechanic know. I'm gonna just, relay that information to him. Maybe he can do something about that. Check it. But we really don't know what. Last I talked to the mechanic last week, we don't know what could be the issue, really. Take good care for Charles. Man, I just got home right now. Mechanic called me, said I forgot to bring the gas key. So I just hopped in the Prius. I'm finna drop that off right now. Dang, I just dropped my car off a few minutes ago. They got to work. They busy with it. What do you got going on? I think he's doing that compressed air thing that I said. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta give him the gas key. I forgot to mention too, when you do that compressed air thing, you're supposed to open the gas cap. I didn't mention that, but my friend did say that. Hey, also, look at this, man. Oakland, California, man. Someone done stole my taillight lens. No, I'm just talking about my taillight lens that they stole. Man, I know it's a paid service and like this is his job and all, but I still feel bad just like leaving my car and letting bro do everything. Like, it don't feel right. Like, it do feel right sometimes. Like, I drop my car off at the shop. I'm kind of come accustomed to it. But at the same time, it's like, especially little things like this, like, I would like to tinker around with it myself, but I just need a garage, bro. Like, I need a house. So everybody go give me like $1,000 each. If all my subscribers come together, give me $1,000 each, I get a house. We could really improve this channel. What's good, man? This is the same day. I drop my car off. I come back home. I go back to drop off my keys. I come back home. Now I'm going back to the shop because I got a call. Ooh, hold up. Yeah, that's nice. But anyway, I get a call from the shop. The dude says that he did the air thing. Nothing's blocked up. It's just a pump ain't pumping. So I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna get my car back. I'm gonna replace it. See if I could get a new one. Maybe it was under warranty because I just got it. But sometimes parts arrive like, not working on arrival. Defective on arrival, whatever. He did say though, when he first put in the pump, it was getting pressure and he drove it. It wasn't acting up, wasn't sputtering or nothing. It was driving just fine. But by the time I went to pick it up, it wasn't performing well. So I don't know, maybe it's just a faulty pump. So hopefully, I hope it's really just a fuel pump because that's simple, man. Like I could get a new pump within a few days and get that on and popping, but I don't know. We'll see, man.
That's up in this fuel filter right here. Right there.
So I got a dirty tank or what?
Yeah.
All right, so he says it is getting fuel. I just gotta let the fuel bowl fill up. I got it on right now. So the fuel pump is on. All right. Try it again. All right. I'm gonna try it again. Man, what's going on? I'm gonna put some gas in there. Put some gas in the carb or what? All right. Wonder if it's getting pressure. Come on. He said now it's not. He's not seeing no fuel go through because it is on. You can hear the fuel pump, but there's no gas is going through it. Got the gas tank open, put in the compressed air, but no gas is coming out. It's dry. So we're suspecting maybe I got a dirty fuel tank, or when my car was sitting out for a while, not driving. When was that? 2 videos ago when I had an issue with that clunking noise. But yeah, I had a car sitting for months, not driving it, not doing nothing to it. It's been cool even after that, but maybe that's still, you know, eventually it's showing the signs that it was sitting for too long, that the tank rusted out, and I got a dirty tank because it is not getting no fuel going through. So it must be real dirty or real rusty. So I'm gonna see if I can leave it here. And unfortunately, you know, he's gonna have to drop the tank. He's gonna have to check it out.
All right, yeah, so you got the pump there, so
Oh yeah.
see what you can do. See if you can do with that.
All right, so still get a new pump.
Yeah.
New pump, and the tank is probably dirty. It could have been sitting for a long time, so it got dirty, rusty, and all that.
Right.
But it did sit for a little while. But then after it was done sitting, I have driven it quite a bit for months. Is it still able to show the issues like months later?
Shit, yeah. Rust, if it got rust off in it, it still got rust off in it. It's when it starts flaking off, getting into the gas. Yeah.
Okay. All right, yeah, I'll see what I can do with that old pump and get that new one to you.
Okay.
ASAP. All right, so it's been a week since that last clip. Just got the fuel pump, hopped in the Prius. Now about to drop it off at the shop. Yeah, the shop right now is real busy. Like, you got a lot of cars in there, so we got my car on the streets. Nah, but bro said I might have to get a new tank if it's really dirty. Like, I might have to send it off somewhere or like get a new tank or something, but I'm gonna have to look into that, man. We'll see. Hopefully it's not too trash in there. Yo, so it's the next day. I'm on my way to the shop. I just got a call from the shop owner saying that my car is ready. He checked the tank. There really wasn't nothing in it. It was pretty clean. He put the new fuel pump in and it's working. I guess the old pump just wasn't pumping, so I'm almost at the shop about to pick it up. All right, so I just got it back from the shop, filled it up with gas. It's running decent, you know, it's staying on and all that. But it's still not at optimal fuel pressure, and I could definitely feel in the performance that it's not running as smooth as it should. But I'm gonna give it some time, see if it improves over time. That don't sound right, man. Going on. It's been 8 days since that last clip. I driven it since then. And we getting fuel pressure, man. Let's go. Gonna take her on a little cruise around the block. All right, so it's running all right. It's running pretty good. Honestly, not as smooth as I remember it being. It's still a little sluggish, but not too bad. That's why it's back down to 0. All right, so I'm at the auto parts store. I want to get a new fuel filter. This one might be a little dirty. Yeah, it's still reading 0 PSI, so whatever. I don't know. I really don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna just change out the fuel filter. It's dirty. I'm gonna get some carburetor cleaner. I might have some in the trunk. If not, I'm gonna get some here and clean out the carburetor a little bit. I don't necessarily think that's gonna help with anything, but you know, I'm gonna just I'm gonna just do it anyway because it probably could use a new filter. But yeah, man, I don't know what's going on. I'm finna change this out. That brother's starving. This didn't his fuel start. I don't know what's wrong with it. I have no idea. Maybe I have to take it to another shop to see if they might be able to take a crack at what could be the issue, but I'm all out of ideas.